Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. As I mentioned on Monday Morning Coffee, I only have a very teeny tiny little haul, and I really started not to film it, but I decided to go ahead because it'll give you a glimpse on what I'm going to be doing in the upcoming weeks. I will not be having Dollar Tree hauls until I get my money from my Dollar Tree managers, which is usually in the middle of the month. So I will be doing Dollar Tree DIYs instead. So anyway, I'll show you what I got. So the first thing I picked up was this little donut dish. Isn't this cute? Has a little lid on here like this. And I thought this would be good, like when I'm in the kitchen, I can take off my rings and stuff if I'm cooking and stick them inside of here. They fit perfect. And then put the lid on them, and then I know where they are. Doesn't really go with the theme of my kitchen, but I thought it was cute. I will warn you, when you're opening it up, the little, some of the little confetti things did fall off. Not a lot, but they're very easy, well, see, they're very easy to break off, so you have to be careful with that. They also have some in solid colors, like a glazed donut with the lime frosting on it, and they also had some in pink, but I did not get, I got the one that matched my kitchen most, which was the blue. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was a couple little fun items. If you remember, I hauled a little pink unicorn pen that I'm going to be using for embellishments, but I went ahead and picked up another one just to give somebody. And then I also picked up these little unicorn stickers. I think these are really cute. And I really wish I was into unicorns more, but I'm just not. I used to be when I was a teenager, but not anymore. I don't know why. But they're cute. And then I picked up these signs. Now they have quite a few of these signs. This is the one that I felt like I could alter better than most of them. And I like the wood kind of grain on here, but unfortunately it's not going to match what I need. I'm going to probably leave this here. I like the little birds. I may not though. But they're very easy. This is a nice sturdy wood base. And then this just pops out of here like that. So it's very easy to come out. And you can see this is paper. And so it just, you know, it peels off or whatever. So, but you're going to see an upcoming DIY with this. I've had a piece of driftwood that I found when we were walking. It's actually not true driftwood. It looks like it though. It looks like it came right out of the ocean, but it actually came right off the riverbanks here near us. And I picked it up a while back, and I thought this would make a great decoration. And I'm trying to redo my decor. It's going to be slowed down, obviously, because if you watch my Monday morning coffee, you also know that I lost my kiddos, and so I'm without a job right now. That's a pretty scary thought. But anyway, I'm going to press on, and I'm going to be using this for a DIY. And then some non-fun things. I picked up paper towels. And then I picked up these letters here, the vinyl letters from the poster board section. They're going to be used within connection of this DIY. Then I just picked up some bowls like this size. I think this is a, what does it say? 6.5 cups. And then I picked up a big one like this. These make great, these are really hard plastic, and they make great storage solution things. So that's what those are going to be used for. And then I think I've seen somebody haul these before, but I'm going to tell you, I've never seen them in any of my Dollar Trees. I was floored. They're egg containers. They, and I like these. They're really deep, and the holes in them are really deep, and the lids shut really nice on them. And then they have a place to put your finger in, just pull the lid off. But you know what I thought these would be great for are the million little beads and stuff I have. I have them all in like little separate containers, and they take up a lot of space. But these actually stack really nicely. And I thought, and they're deep enough, and you can see how much room you have in them. And they're deep enough to put what little beads I have. Now, I'm not talking about the little sticky seed beads, but I'm talking about the bigger glass beads and stuff that I have. And I thought they would be perfect for that. So, and they, like I said, they stack really nicely. So I only picked up a couple of those. And that is my haul. Usually when I go Dollar Tree shopping, I usually get things and I just pay myself back when I get my money or whatever. But like I said, I just wasn't able to do it, and so I had to make myself stop. In all honesty, though, I didn't see anything really new or earth-shattering that I had to have or anything new to show you. I really, really, really wanted to get those silver and gray, like back the tiles, that look like tile stickers, but I haven't seen any more even to worry about it. But yeah, that is my little haul. So stay tuned. I'll have a DIY coming out pretty close to right after this one. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, sorry you got me rambling on today. But go ahead and come back and subscribe to my channel and make sure you tap the bell. Like my friend Michelle says, it don't cost a thing to give it a ring and to join and send some support to everybody. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in just a bit. Bye.